Welcome to another lesson, which is lesson 4. We are right now on lesson 4, but a continuation of the project we have tried to develop right from the scratch. Let us open the application, then by lucky we have been taken to the new user interface. Now the topic of the lesson is how to develop page, a bit screen, how to develop mobile application screen. And don't forget that we have been working on this. We have tried to teach you how to create or design or develop menu, navigation, then screen, then how to link them together. So those are the things we have done in the past. Right now, those screen we have created, we want to develop them or design them one after another, because I want to use it to teach you some basic things. After this one, I will also teach you how to create a database. That is, you create your page, your screen on database. But firstly, now we are going to use this one to develop the screen. So there are some screen here that are yet to have any content inside them. Example is this is food and recipes application. So develop let us start with peanut. Yes. So uh, there are some things we should consider here. This is peanut. Let us reduce the size a bit so that it can look somehow presentable, and yes. Then this one is too close to the header. Let's use the transparent transparent image to do some separation, to create some gaps between them. Yes. Let's use this one. If it is not coming up, then it is a problem from network. Let me believe that it will come up later. It is still loading. While we are waiting for that, I think we should use the opportunity. Okay, it has come up, and we need to reduce it a bit. Yes, reduce it a bit, then bring it to the center. It can be at the center, can also be anywhere. Since it doesn't really matter, it didn't contribute anything than to create gaps between the header and this one. Then what should next is the uh, is the topic. Then the topic is donuts. Donuts. So we make it, bring it to the center. The donuts. So possibly we give it a little bigger size. Medium, yes. Then we can bold it. We can as well give it color. So font color, let's use this one. Right. Donut. Now there are some other things that are very important in this regard. It's like for example, if we like to create a very wide information about it, we can start from the history of donuts, how it just started, someone that started it, the events that lead to the preparation of donuts. But to save more time, we may try to avoid that. But there are some uh, there are some things that are really relevant, like the health benefit of donuts. The health benefit of donuts, then how to prepare a donut, the instruments required to prepare a donut, then the content or the nutrients in a donut. So I will teach you something, I will introduce something to you here. Let us do it like this. Like this. Let's use the roll. Let's bring the roll down here. We can perform a lot of magic here. That is depend on the creativity. How creative you are. How creative you are. Then a column. Then the second column. So the first column now, let's reduce the first column to 20%. Then the second column, we make it 80%. 80%. Yes, 80%. Now, we can also, under this one, what we want to do here is that we want to tabularize it. Like this one, we call it title. Titles. Then bring it to the center and the font should come to the center too. Then the element there, so that the text can come to the middle. Then again, we call this place description or details. Description, details, or descriptions. Descriptions, details, yes. Then bring it to the center. Let it come to the middle. Yes. Now, That is just that. So immediately anybody open, click on the donut menu, it will land them here as the landing screen. Then every details about donut the person will see here. Now we want to duplicate this, so we can duplicate this, or we can bring right. So I think it will be better to do the duplication. Let us delete that. Yes. Now, since we are unable to duplicate this element here, it will be better for us to go to the classical interface so that we can do the duplication easily to save us a lot of time. Now we are doing editing on developing the donut page. Click open. So now we click on this, then we click on Ctrl C, click elsewhere outside the element, then click Ctrl V to paste it there. That's fine. We are going back to the new interface. Back to the new interface. Let's look for donuts. Donuts now. Can you see? So this is headings. This is the heading description. I hope we give it color. Yes. Let us choose this color. Let's use this one. Yes. So then the color, we change it to something reasonable. Let's say like white color. Then also this one should be bold and white color, and this one should be bold, then white color, then bold. I think that one is clear. It's clear now. Now under this one we can say history. Then ingredients. Ingredient required for the preparation of donuts. Then here the equipment, then here preparation. Then here we call it heads benefits. So that shows that we need to increase this element a bit. Maybe we increase it to 25. Then this one also to 25. So it must be equal (25). Yet and this one also should be 25. It must be on same at 25. So this one has been increased to 25. So also this one, since this one is increased to 25, that this should be reduced to 75. 75. Yes. Now let us first and foremost search for something here, something reasonable. We can place all these things as a button, that is the history, the ingredients, the equipment, the preparation, and the health benefit. But at the same time, we can also do it like this. You just need to be creative. You can do it anyway. So, but more especially, let it be easily accessible. Now, this is a plus for you. It's a bonus. You look at what I'm doing here. ChatGPT. You can use it to generate some content online that it will not waste your time. Within 1 week, you are developing your app. Then you are good to go. Let's wait for it to come up. Yes, it is now. Write history of donuts. Just click send and wait for it to shout you. The history of donuts also spelled as. So can you see now? Can you see? Maybe it's not the donuts we are looking for. It may not be the donut we are looking for. I think it's it. The history of donuts, also spelled donut, is quite fascinating and stretched back several centuries. While it is challenging to pinpoint their exact origin, here is an overview of the history of the donut trade. So ancient origin. The concept of fried dough can be traced back to ancient civilization of archaeology. Anyway, whichever way, just because of our time, let's just copy it. We copy it. copy it, then we paste it. We paste it here. So that is just it. You know, it is centralized. Just put it at the left. That is the left. Give it left alignment. Left alignment. Since the information is just too much, it will not make sense if we do it like this. But let us just finish this one, then we later arrange it as a button. When the history is being clicked, then this information will come up. When the ingredient is being clicked, then it will come up. Let's now go back again. Let's go back again. Yes, the ingredients used to prepare donuts. So just send, wait for it. To prepare donuts, you will typically then we are good to go. Donut ingredients. Then we just add it here. So can you see that you can prepare your app within few days, and you can roll it out to the app store. So, and let me tell you this, you need to edit it. Don't just paste it that way and go and sit back. Take time to edit it and give it a very good outlook. Then equipment. Now let's go back to the GPT, to the AI. Then equipment required to prepare donuts. Just send it and wait for it. So can you see, to sit down and start writing all these things alone, you know, it's not easy. It can take you some hours, but technology has made things easy for us. Now go to the equipment, then paste it there, then make it left alignment. So after you have done all these things, you now sit back and start editing it and make it look attractive. Then how to prepare donuts. To prepare delicious donuts. Can you see? You too, you know how much it will cost you to do the research before you can come up with all this information. It is wonderful. Then you scroll down. then paste it, make it left element. Now the health benefits of donut. Health benefits of donut. We are back to our machine. Health benefits of donuts. Let's wait for it to come up. Let's wait for it to finish communicating with us. The social enjoyment. Think we are good to go. That's it. Then make it left element, right. Can you see now that we have already created details about donuts, how to prepare donuts. I just want us to put some background so that it can be catchy. Yes, let's see, maybe this one will be better. Yes, then this one also, we put the same thing. Then this one, put same thing. Yes, I'm very sure that if I publish this app on Google Play Store, it will become a hot cake. Yes, it will become hot cake for women in the house. It will guide them to prepare their donuts, to prepare their food recipe or recipes whatsoever. So that is just it. We have just prepared a page now, and it will be advisable to put some images or color as the background for the app. Let us try to see if we can use color. Color, I think this color is okay. Is it beautiful enough? Or shall we use another one? No, that one is too bright. I think this one is very good. It's very, very good. I prefer this. I prefer this. Right. So that is all about donuts. That's all about donuts. And you see the middle of the something here. Let me remove that empty space. Yes, this empty space. Yes, so it will be difficult for someone who is reading this text down here to easily recognize that he has jumped into another paragraph, so another topic entirely. So for that sake, there is need for us to duplicate this one and paste it in the middle of each of them. So, and you know that we will not be able to do it here. Let us just go to the old interface to go and do it there. Click on edit screen. Yes, donuts. Then click on. Can you see how beautiful it is? So you see now. Yes. So let us do just what I said. Click on Ctrl C to copy, then Ctrl V to paste. Ctrl V to paste it, to paste that which you have just copied. So can you see down here? So let's do everything here. Ctrl C, Ctrl V to paste it again and again. Yes, I think we are good to go. Now we start moving it one after another. Let's see how we can be successful in moving it. Or maybe we shouldn't. No, it's not working that way. We have mixed some things up. So let's go back to the old interface, to the new interface, donut. Yes, and we will you can see that it's not working easily as expected. For that fact, we need to do some things, perform some magic here. So let us highlight this, then cut. So can you see now? So now it will be easy to move. It's not easily achievable as I expected, but before we leave, we must do something here. that is pasting bar there. Let's put bar. So this bar we just created is not that beautiful. So maybe we need to create another one that have a color like this. Top bar. So the bar is there, but not. I want to move that one out, to delete that one, so that we will have this one, or we move everything completely. Then we now move this. Yes. So it's not showing, but it is there. Now what we have just done is that what will happen is that these things are not movable. They are not movable. So since they are not movable, we will try to take a little step backward, so that we can able to achieve what we need to achieve. What is that step? The step is that we need to go and create another screen. Another screen like this one, we call it donut. So it may be donut number 1, so that the screen name will not be the same. Donut 2. So we start moving all this content into each one after another. When we get into this place, we make sure that as immediately we create the title and the description, then we make sure the history follow. After the history, after we complete the history, then we move to the ingredient. After the ingredient, after we complete the history, then we put the title and description there again. After that one, the ingredient. That is how we are going to achieve it. Just to save our time, I will not be able to do that now. I believe you have understood it. Thank you. God bless you.